What's up guys, Braden here with SuperATV, and today we're going to be showing you how to install SuperATV's full glass windshield on this Kawasaki KRX 1000. So let's get right to it. So now you're going to want to grab your straight seal out of the kit and you're going to apply it to the lower portion of the windshield. You're going to start on the edge here, run it all the way across to this edge here, and then we're going to cut off the excess. And once we get to this point here, we can just go ahead and cut off our excess. So now we're going to take our foam, we're going to apply it on this edge here. Just go ahead and peel the backing off. Just going to lay it just like this. Just go through and make sure it's fully adhered. Once we get to this point here, we can just cut off the excess. With this, you can cut it, or you can tear it apart, totally up to you. We're here to this side and do the same exact thing. So now we're gonna grab our clamps as well as all of our grommets out of the kit. We're gonna go ahead and remove the inserts or the sleeves out of each of the grommets, just like so. And we're gonna slide them in to the holes all the way around our windshield. Just take them, feed them through the hole like that, and then take our insert and just slide it right back into the grommet. And we'll just continue doing this for all of the holes except for this one here. This one is where our wiper's gonna go through. So now what we're gonna do is go ahead and remove our roof hardware enough so that we can get our roof out of the way to get our clamps in place. If you don't have a roof, you don't have to worry about this process. What we're gonna do is go ahead and take our windshield and place it on the machine. Try to get it slid into position the best that we can. So now we'll just take our clamp, just kind of lift our windshield up, and just fish our clamp down, just so it's somewhat in the right location. So now we're going to grab one of our Allen head screws, flat washers, and nylock nuts out of the kit. We're going to go to this hole right here, and it's going to line up into the cage itself. We're just going to get our hardware started. We're not going to fully tighten anything just yet. Now we're going to go ahead and remove our upper cage mounting bolt. Grab our bracket right here. Slide our cage mounting bolt through the bracket on the big notched side, so this side here. And we'll just go ahead and start our hardware right back into the cage. We'll just run our hardware directly through the windshield, through our bracket, just like this. We'll just start our hardware. Now we're going to repeat the same step on the opposite side. Now we're going to grab our wiper handle here. There's going to be a 10mm nut. I want to go ahead and just remove that. Slide this piece off, and then just go ahead and thread your nut back onto your handle. That way you don't lose it. What you're gonna wanna do is have the washer up against the nut, then rubber, and then we're gonna slide it through this hole here from the inside going out, just like that. Take our flat washer. And then the other nut. There we go, that's plenty tight. Now we're gonna grab our wiper arm. We'll just go ahead and peel this piece up out of here, this little plastic piece. And you're gonna remove the nut off of your handle. Slide it through, and you wanna flip this arm right here on your wiper arm, straight up. So it sits like this. Slide it on, just like so. And then you'll wanna install your 10mm nut to secure the wiper arm. You'll just wanna make sure that the handle is in the same position as the wiper. That way, whenever you go to wipe it, it's all straight. Let's take a 10mm socket and fully tighten it. There we go. Just like so. And we'll just grab our wiper, slide it on just like so. Now we just need to finish installing a hardware up top here. So now we're gonna take our long hardware that was in the clamp. We're gonna slide it through the upper portion of the windshield, line it up with our clamp on the inside of the machine. And we'll just slide it through. Get our nut started. Now we're going to take our gasket and apply it across the top lip, the top edge of the roof, or the windshield, so that the roof doesn't rattle. Now we're good to go to set our roof back down into position, just like so. So once you've went through, fully tightened all the hardware, that's all there is to it to install SuperATV's full glass windshield on this Kawasaki KRX 1000. Be sure to check the description below to pick yours up today, and while you're there, drop a like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.